Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can reset your password in the Sketchbook app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on the web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.autodesk.com/product/sketchbook/overview. Then you will end up in this page where you need to click on the profile like icon on the right hand side and type in your email address. So once you do this, you need to simply press on the next button, and after you are done doing this, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is click on the forgot option. So after you press on forgot, you will get a mail from the Sketchbook app where you can find the link of how you can reset your password. So once you open it, simply press on reset password and type in your new password, as well as confirm the password again by retyping it and press on the reset button. So after this is done, your password will get resetted in your Autodesk Sketchbook. So now you can be redirected to the home page, and you need to click on the profile like icon once again to get logged in into your account. So tap it in, type in your email and your newly updated password and get signed in into your Autodesk Sketchbook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.